Are you looking for unique gift ideas for the beauty and style lover on your list? Well, our resident beauty and style expert, Michelle Phillips, is here with a few of her favorite ideas. And trust me, my list just got a little bit longer.
Oh, yeah.
Too. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. And not only did I bring along 5 of my 5 favorite gifts for friends and family that love beauty and style, but these brands are so kind to offer our viewers today special discount codes.
Did you hear that? You're
Yay.
getting some codes for these, so you can get them at home and give them away, or maybe keep them yourself. Let's first start jeans.
Yes.
We were able to model these the last time you were
a couple weeks ago.
Yes.
If you are looking for a fashionable style of jeans that not only look amazing on but feel super comfy, DG2 Jeans are my favorite. These were created by Diane Gilman, who is a designer who basically have created these jeans for women who have had kids, who are aging and need a little bit more room in the tummy area.
Oh, yeah.
And let me show you also our model Brianna, who is wearing them today. She has the indigo denim with a combination of tonal blue satin stitch embroidery. Gorgeous, over 100,000 stitches there. And
Ooh.
There's also scattered pearl stud embellishments. And Diane's jeans are great because they have that virtual stretch, meaning what happens is they stretch a little bit where you need it, but then they have this great recovery so that they're slim fit in the leg area. So they're really flattering, beautifully made. And of course, Diane is known as the queen of jeans because she has sold over 10 million pairs on HSN. Crazy.
And we know why. Again, we got to get going. Now, let's talk about something else a little more comfortable.
Yes, high heels. We're all going to probably be wearing high heels during the holidays and, of course, after. And if you feel like they hurt your feet, you're not alone. I have found these Vivian Lou Insoles, which are basically inserts that you put in your shoes. They're permanent. You don't remove them. And what they do is they shift the weight from the ball of your foot back towards your heel, so you have more even weight distribution. They keep your feet from sliding forward. They're made out of a clear resin, so you can wear like just, you know, the open-toed shoes. You can wear heels 4 times longer without the pain. Vivian Lou.
Deal. And another problem I always have is when I need to pull my hair up, and I'm already rocking this one. This is a hairband.
Okay, this is the coolest bracelet you will ever put in your hair. It's called GemTye. It's a one-of-a-kind fashion accessory that combines the function of a hair tie with a chic bracelet. And they have different styles and colors, so they match any skin tone and hair type. And now you can leave the house and you can put your hair up in seconds, but in the meantime, you've got a fashionable bracelet.
And you know what? I would say this is a much better looking than the normal hair tie that I always just have around my wrist. And you can layer.
I love it. They have this stacked bracelet look. Okay, this is fantastic as well. This is called Levears. This is a revolutionary earring back that gives your earrings an instant lift when you put these on. So if you have beautiful studs that droop or heavy chandelier earrings, you've got to get Levears because these are fantastic. We have some demonstration here on how they work as well as some before and afters. So basically, Levears has a patented design that has a left and a right back. And what this does is it ensures that a woman's earrings can be adjusted perfectly since no 2 holes are pierced the same. And they come in sterling silver, gold-plated silver, 14-karat gold, 14-karat white gold. So great. That's such a huge difference.
And it's a problem you don't think about until you put those earrings on and you're like, oh, I don't like what that looks like, but there's nothing I can do about it.
Exactly. All right, last but not least, so many women ask me about their lips. And they say, I've got dry chapped lips, I want fuller looking lips. This is my go-to. This is Do Kiss and Tell Lip Scrub Brush. I use this on every single client that sits in my chair before I put their makeup on. What this is the world's first exfoliating lip and beauty brush. I call it a non-surgical lip plumper because it gets rid of that dry, flaky skin on your lips, but at the same time, the dual action scrub brush which is made with all natural bristles. What it does is it stimulates blood flow and gives your lips this beautiful, healthy, rosy, plump looking lip. It's so great. And then you just use it, you wet the brush, just moisturize your lips afterwards, after you've done the exfoliation, and you're gonna love it.
I've always heard to do lip exfoliation, but I never have. I always was a little skeptical, but now I'm sold. And again, we were sharing all of those promo codes, so you can take a lot of these home with you. And as always, Michelle, how can people stay in touch with you if they have a question about
MichellePhillips.com or on Instagram, Michelle Phillips Beauty. And if you want to see the codes again, you can watch the segment again online. Isn't this great?
Thank you.
Oh, you've got to use this brush.
Thank you.
Oh,
so much fun.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.